faster. We're down.
My granddad always had one saying, buy it nice or buy it twice. Back then, I thought he just meant buying expensive tools. What he really meant was buying something sturdy enough so that you only have to buy it once. One thing I immediately appreciated is that Wall Control already did most of the hard work. The workbench arrives 70% assembled. So all we're doing today is building the backboard support, installing the steel panels, and attaching it to the bench. The first step is assembling the support frame, using the 2 uprights and 3 cross members. Wall Control uses 5/16 by 1 1/4 inch button head hex screws, along with 5/16 inch washers and hex nuts throughout the frame. I recommend starting every fastener before tightening anything down. It lets the frame square itself naturally and makes final assembly much easier. For the larger hardware, I'm using my Wiha GoBox Ratchet set. It's tiny enough to get exactly where I need it. Having every bit organized in one place speeds things up considerably. With the frame complete, it's time to install the steel pegboard panels. Once I get into the smaller hardware, I switch over to my Klein Stubby screwdriver. The shorter handle gives me much better control in tight spaces throughout the frame. Again, I like to start every screw before tightening everything down. It helps everything just line up way better. Now the completed backboard mounts directly to the bench using the supplied 5/16 inch hardware. One person can absolutely do this, but having a second set of hands make lining everything up much easier. But if you don't have that second person, grab yourself a pair of clamps, clamp it to the bottom part of the frame. That'll get you most of the way there to line those holes up. And this is where the transformation really happens. Up until now, it's been a workbench. Now it's becoming a workstation. With 9 panels, this thing will hold almost 8 feet worth of vertical space into one small package. Every tool has a place, which means less time searching and more time building. And the more I work around this bench, the more I understand my granddad's saying. This is American steel, made right here in the USA by a family-owned company. That's not built for today's project. It's built for the next 30 years of projects. Wall Control is going to be making this system even better with future optional caster feet for mobility and a standalone backboard system that will let you add this organization to an existing workbench. People love saying they just don't build things like they used to. I actually think this workbench proves they still do. Built from American steel, made in the USA, backed by a family-owned company that believes in building products that last. My granddad would have looked at this and smiled. Buy it nice or buy it twice.